Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got something special for all you firearm enthusiasts out there. We're taking a closer look at the Blue Wonder Gun Black 2 ounces Firearm Refinishing Kit plus 2-part blue removal system with brush, which is considered by many as the best gun hot bluing kit on the market. So, if you're looking to restore your firearms to their former glory or give them a factory-like finish, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll find inside this kit. The Blue Wonder Gun Black 2 ounces kit comes with everything you need to achieve a professional finish on your firearms. It includes 2 ounces of Blue Wonder Gun Black, 1 ounce of Blue Wonder Gun Cleaner, 0.5 ounces of Blue Wonder Developer, 0.5 ounces of Blue Wonder XFR Lubricant, 8 ounces of Blue Wonder Removal 2-part system. What makes this kit stand out from the rest? Well, let's talk about the key features and benefits. The Blue Wonder Gun Black is the result of years of scientific research, and it deeply penetrates and bonds to metal, giving your firearm the appearance and durability of a factory finish. Whether you're refinishing tactical firearms or other guns, this kit can handle it. You can achieve both matte and glossy finishes, making it perfect for touch-ups or complete refinishing. Supporting this product means supporting a small business and veterans who have served their country. Now, let's talk about how to use this kit. It's a comprehensive system designed to cover all aspects of firearm refinishing and bluing. Here's a brief overview. Start by using the Blue Wonder Gun Cleaner to effectively remove dirt, debris, and carbon buildup from your firearm surface. Apply the Blue Wonder Developer to enhance the color and finish of the gun blue, achieving that deep, rich blue-black coloration. Use the Blue Wonder XFR Lubricant to ensure smooth operation and prevent corrosion, extending the lifespan of your firearms. The 8 ounces Blue Wonder Removal 2-part system makes it easy to strip bluing or other factory finishes without abrasive scrubbing, preserving your firearm's integrity. Now, let's get hands-on and apply this kit to a firearm. We'll demonstrate the step-by-step process and show you the before and after results. But before we proceed, remember to always use this kit in a well-ventilated area and take safety precautions seriously. Cleaning: apply the Blue Wonder Gun Cleaner and scrub away any impurities on the firearm surface. Developing: use the Blue Wonder Developer to enhance the bluing color. Lubricating: apply the Blue Wonder XFR Lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Removing: utilize the Blue Wonder Removal System to strip the bluing or factory finish. Take a look at the incredible transformation. The firearm on the left is the before, showing signs of wear and tear. The one on the right is the after, with a beautifully restored finish that looks factory fresh. This kit can handle touch-ups or complete re-bluing projects, so holster wear and minor imperfections are a thing of the past. Now, let's see what others have to say about this kit. Customer reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating based on 27 ratings. Users have praised its effectiveness in restoring their firearms to their former glory. In conclusion, the Blue Wonder Gun Black 2 ounces Firearm Refinishing Kit plus 2-part blue removal system with brush is a must-have for any firearm owner looking to maintain and protect their investments. With its deep bonding action, versatility, and easy-to-follow instructions, it's no wonder this kit is highly regarded in the market. Plus, by choosing this product, you're supporting a small business and veterans. If you want to get your hands on the best gun hot bluing kit available, make sure to check out the link in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another in-depth product review here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. This has been Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products for a more informed shopping experience. Stay safe, stay informed, and until next time, happy shooting.